सो हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं आपका दोस्त एंड होस्ट आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं आपके अपने चैनल लर्न गुरु आशीष में। जो करंट अफेयर का सेशन कंटिन्यू था, सेम वो अभी कंटिन्यू रहेगा, क्योंकि अभी अपकमिंग एग्ज़ाम्स भी बहुत आ रहे हैं और उसमें करंट अफेयर का वेटेज ज़्यादा रहता है और कहीं से कुछ भी पूछ दिया जाता है। इसलिए डीपली हर एक दिन का हम लोग करंट अफेयर को यहाँ पे रिवाइज कर रहे हैं। जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट कंटेंट रहता है वो कोशिश किया जाता है आप लोगों के सामने लाने का। प्रीवियस में भी करंट अफेयर्स के काफ़ी वीडियोस अपलोडेड हैं, सो प्लीज़ आप लोग वहाँ भी जाकर विज़िट कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं। और हमारे चैनल को लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, ताकि ऐसे ही डेली करंट अफेयर्स के वीडियोस आप लोगों को प्रोवाइड होते रहे, मिलते रहे। ठीक है, सो डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल लर्न गुरु आशीष। नाउ let's start with our first question. Which team won the Spanish Super Cup in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia? A. Real Madrid, B. Barcelona, C. Valencia CF, or D. It was a draw? The right answer is option A. Real Madrid. Moving into our next question, question number 2. What is the name of the renowned Urdu poet who passed away in Lucknow on January 14, 2024? A. Munawar Rana, B. Rahat Indori, C. Adil Mansuri, or D. Bashar Nawaz? The right answer will be option A. Munawar Rana. Now moving into our next question, question number 3. Where has the Indian Army Day 2024 organized recently? A. Bangalore, B. Kolkata, C. Shillong, or D. Lucknow? The right answer is option D. Lucknow. Moving into our next question, question number 4. In which city has the Climate Conference 2024 been organized? A. Mumbai, B. New Delhi, C. Dehradun, or D. Ahmedabad? The right answer is option A. Mumbai. Moving to our next question, question number 5. Which position has India got in the MSCI Emerging Market Index? A. Second, B. First, C. Third, or D. Fourth? The right answer is option A. Second. Now moving into our next question, question number 6. Where has the 54th annual meeting of the World Economic Forum started? A. Davos, B. Geneva, C. Montreal, or D. London? The right answer is option A. Davos. Moving into our next question, question number 7. Himalayan wolf has been classified as fill in the blanks on the IUCN Red List. A. Vulnerable, B. Endangered, C. Critically endangered, or D. Extinct? The right answer will be option A. Himalayan vulnerable. Himalayan wolf has been classified as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Now moving into our next question, question number 8. Who has been honored with the International Sports Personality Award 2023 by UAE? A. Gianni Infantino, B. Savita Kanswal, C. B.R. Kamboj, or D. Professor Adrian Cruz? The right answer will be option A, Gianni Infantino. Gianni Infantino has been honored with the International Sports Personality Award 2023 by UAE, United Arab Emirates. Moving into our next question, question number 9. Who has been appointed as the Director General of Naval Operation? A. Vice Admiral A.N. Pramod. B. Vice Admiral B. Srinivasan. C. Vice Admiral Rajesh Pandekar. Or D. None of them. The right answer will be option A, Vice Admiral A.N. Pramod. Vice Admiral A.N. Pramod has been appointed as the Director General of Naval Operation. You can see him in an image. Moving into our next question, question number 10. Who won the gold medal in the men's 25-meter standard pistol event at the Asian Shooting Championship 2024? A. Yogesh Singh. B. Vijayveer Sidhu. C. Om Prakash. Or D. Saurabh Chaudhary. The right answer will be option A, Yogesh Singh. Yogesh Singh won the gold medal in the men's 25-meter standard pistol event at the Asian Shooting Championship 2024. Now moving into our next question, question number 11. Who has been granted a 1-year extension as RBI Deputy Governor? A. Raghuram Rajan. B. Shakti Janta Das. शक्ति कान दास होना चाहिए ना. शक्ति कान. सी माइकल पात्रा. सी माइकल पात्रा एंड डी उर्जित पटेल. द राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन सी, Michael Patra. Michael Patra has been granted a 1-year extension as RBI Deputy Governor. Okay, now moving into our next question, question number 12. Where is India's first national highway steel slag road section located? A. NH 44 Delhi Jaipur. B. NH 66 Mumbai Goa. C. NH 2 Kolkata Delhi. Or D. NH 8 Mumbai Ahmedabad. The right answer will be option B, NH 66 Mumbai Goa. NH 66 Mumbai Goa is the right answer of question number 12. Now moving into our next question, question number 13. Who has recently become the first bowler to take 150 wickets in T20 international cricket? A. Tim Southee. B. Saqib Al Hasan. C. Rashid Khan. Or D. Mohammad Sami. The right answer will be option A, Tim Southee. Tim Southee has recently become the first bowler to take 150 wickets in T20 international cricket. And एक क्वेश्चन और अराइज हो सकता है कि टीम साउथी बिलोंग्स टू विच टीम. ही बिलोंग्स टू न्यूजीलैंड टीम. ओके, मूविंग टू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Who has won the presidential election in Taiwan? A. Lai Ching-te. B. Tsai Ing-wen. C. Hao Yu-yi. Or D. Wen Jie. The right answer will be option B or A. No, the right answer will be option A. Lai Ching-te. Lai Ching-te has won the presidential election in Taiwan. Now moving into our next question, question number 15. Who became the first female athlete to win the Arjun Award for horse riding? A. Divyakriti Singh, B. Divya Chauhan, C. Rasmi Gaur, or D. Shikha Parekh? The right answer will be option A. Divyakriti Singh. Divyakriti Singh became the first female athlete to win the Arjuna Award for horse riding. Now moving into our next question, question number 16. Who takes charge as a Chief of Staff, Southern Naval Command? A. Rear Admiral Upal Kundu, B. Vice Admiral Rajesh Pandekar, C. Vice Admiral V. Srinivas, or D. None of the above? The right answer will be option A. Rear Admiral Upal Kundu. Rear Admiral Upal Kundu takes charge as a Chief of Staff, Southern Naval Command. Congratulations to our Eagle Rear Admiral Upal Kundu. Is a batch of 95 HPSR Nagarjuna House for being appointed the Chief of Staff, Southern Naval Command, Indian Navy. Now moving into our next question, question number 17. Where has the second International Ayush Conference started recently? A. Dubai, B. Tokyo, C. Sydney, or D. London? The right answer will be option A. Dubai. Now moving into our next question, question number 18. Who among the following has become a new member of UPSC? A. Sheel Vardhan Singh, B. R.J. Viswanathan, C. Aditi Roy Chaudhary, or D. Praveen Mehta? The right answer will be option A. Sheel Vardhan Singh. Sheel Vardhan Singh became a new member of UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. Moving to our next question, question number 19. Which is the first indigenous Starline drone that joined the Indian Navy? A. Ugram, B. Drishti 10, C. Akash NG, or D. Prabal? The right answer will be option B. Drishti 10. Drishti 10 is the first indigenous Starline drone that joined the Indian Navy. Now moving into our next question, question number 20. President Draupadi Murmu conferred the Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award 2022 to A. Arunima Sinha, B. Santosh Yadav, C. Mohan Singh Kohli, or D. Savita Kanswal? So this one is for your homework. You have to comment the right answer, okay, of question number 20. So आज का सेट यहीं पे समाप्त हुआ. ठीक है, आप लोगों को ये कैसा लगा? आप लोग अपना फीडबैक कमेंट बॉक्स पे शेयर करिए. ठीक है, और ऐसे ही करंट अफेयर्स के वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए एंड मोटिवेट करिए ताकि हम लोग न्यू कंटेंट आप लोगों के सामने ऐसे ही डेली बेसिस पे करंट अफेयर्स के वीडियो लेकर के आ सकें. ओके, सो प्लीज़ डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल लर्न ग्रो आशीष. थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.